Notification icon missing from your taskbar? Let's fix it with easy steps to bring back your taskbar functionality. First, let's restart Windows Explorer. Right-click on Windows Start and open Task Manager. In Task Manager, find Windows Explorer in the list. Right-click on it and select End Task. Now, click on Run New Task. Check the box for Create this task with administrative privileges. Type explorer.exe in the box and click OK. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Right-click on Windows Start and open Settings. Go to System. Then click on Notifications. Turn on notifications if they are off. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Finally, let's check your account settings. Right-click on Windows Start and open Settings again. Go to Accounts, then click on your info. Click on Sign in with a Microsoft account. And log in with a new account if needed. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Open your Start menu and search for CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Click Yes to grant administrative privileges. Now, here's the magic command. In the video description below, you'll find the command sfc/scannow. Copy it, paste it into the command prompt, and hit Enter. Wait for the verification process to reach 100%. Once it's done, close the command prompt. Now, the final step, restart your computer. That's it. Follow these steps, and your problem should be solved. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.